Magandang araw mga mag-aaral. Ang ating paksa ngayong araw ay patungkol sa natural resources and environmental concerns in Asia. Ito ay mababasa sa inyong mga aklat sa pahina 23 hanggang 37. West Asia is primarily a desert land, but there are available arable land, especially along the Fertile Crescent, like the countries of Saudi Arabia, Syria, Lebanon, Jordan, and Israel. The West Asian region has the world's largest deposits of oil and fossil fuels. Fossil fuel is a natural fuel, like coal and gas, formed in the geological past from the remains of living organisms. Remains of plants and animals that have been buried a long time ago undergo decomposition for millions of years. The oil deposits are concentrated in the Arabian Peninsula, particularly in the mainland and in countries that lie along the Persian Gulf. The region is the second highest in natural gas reserves and 10% of the world's petroleum reserves. Central Asia is mostly desert and mountain pastures. Since the region is mainly sandy deserts, there is very little agricultural production. In the north are the green plains of the Central Asian steppe, where animal raising is the main occupation. In the south are snow-clad mountain ranges. Central Asia is rich in oil and gas as well. Enormous coal reserves are found in North and Central Asia. The southwest zone of India is a hot, dry region. This zone has very few areas with enough moisture and rains to produce crops. Nevertheless, with irrigation and the Hindus are able to grow grains such as barley and corn. South Asia is very rich in mineral resources. Various elements are scattered all over the big expanse of the subcontinent. Among those are iron, copper, coal, petroleum, lead, and zinc, nickel, manganese, chromite, tungsten, etc. Thick jungles are found in Bangladesh, the easternmost country in the region, which is most often exposed to the monsoons. The warm, humid temperature and constant rainfall in Southeast Asia is a blessing. It is the perfect condition for growing rice, which is the continent's staple food, tropical fruits, and vegetables. As the staple food of the region, rice is grown in all countries located here. It is cultivated in lowlands where water is available year-round, in forests, clearings in mountains where the soil is fertile, and on terraces constructed along mountain slopes irrigated with spring water. Indonesia is a leading exporter of natural gas. It also has a large deposits of oil that supplies its domestic needs. Malaysia also exports natural gas and has one of the most extensive pipeline networks in the region. Monsoon Asia is one region in the world where the most extensive forests are found. The Southeast Asian tropical rainforest is the second largest in the world, next to the Amazon. China, the biggest country in the region in terms of land area, is richest in land resources. The country's farmland covers about 10% of its total land area and is distributed mainly in plain areas in Northeast Asia, North China along the middle Yangtze and Sichuan Basin. Rice production in the other East Asian countries such as Japan, Taiwan, and the two Koreas is mainly for domestic use. Mongolia, with its mountainous terrain and extremely freezing temperature, produces wheat instead in a few places. Partly due to its immense size and location, East Asia has deposits of every one of the 150 minerals found so far in the natural world. China is the world's largest producer of aluminum, gold, tin, and coal. China's forests are fairly rich in plant and animal resources. It is home to 32,800 plant varieties and 104,000 animal species. It has been observed that in using the environment, humans have disturbed the balance that sustains the natural habitat where they live. Thus, the science of ecology came into focus. Ecology is a science that deals with the relationships between groups of living things and their environments. It studies how people, plants, and lower forms of animals relate to each other in the environment where they live. What are the environmental concerns in Asia? First, air pollution. Second, deforestation and forest degradation. Third, desertification or soil degradation. Fourth, inadequate and unsafe water supplies. Fifth, overfishing and pollution of fishing grounds. Sixth, urbanization. And seventh, global warming or climate change. Ikaw ba ay may mga opinyon o katanungan patungkol sa araling ito? Maaari mo akong i-chat sa pamamagitan ng Facebook Messenger. Yun lamang at maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain ka nawa ng Panginoon.